Namaste pure divine souls. Welcome to Pure Mindfulness. Today in this video I will tell you how to remove negative energy from your body. What is negative energy? Negative energy cause so many negative effects in your mind and body. In mind you have depression, headaches and some other related health issues. In physical, you may have physical diseases, illnesses in your body. That's why you need to remove negative energy from your body. Is it possible to remove negative energy from your body? Yes, it is possible. And you may have another doubt. Can I remove negative energy myself? Yes, you can remove negative energy in your body. It is possible. In today's video, I will tell you step by step how to remove negative energy from your body. Before that, I will tell you one important thing. Listen carefully. We all have aura. Aura means protection layer of the body. Of aura in this video. When you remove negative energy from your aura, you cannot face any health issues, because before you suffer any diseases, first enter your aura, then the disease enter your body. When you remove negative energy from your aura, you will healthy. You are not suffer health issues. Now I tell you how to remove negative energy before it entering our body. In here I will tell you some of the simple and everyone can do these simple exercises, simple things to remove negative energy from your body. There are so many techniques, so many ways to remove negative energy. Some of very tough. It needs lots of practice. But in this video, I will tell you simple and everyone can do these exercises to remove their negative energy. In this time, remove negative energy in our bodies is very important, because we are all in these critical situations. Coronavirus spreading all over the world. We are all suffering mentally and physically. This is very important. That's why I created this video to you. Okay, the first one, it is simple, but it give you good results. Exercise, physical exercise. Exercise can remove negative energy from your body. That's why so many athletes and sports persons are healthy physically and mentally. Daily exercise at least 10 to 20 minutes. Normal exercises. Head to toe. Do basic full body exercise. Just it takes 10 to 15 minutes. That's all. It will remove negative energy from your body. At least one time, early morning, 10 to 15 minutes. These exercises help you to remove negative energy. Practice this and you feel light and healthy. The next one is meditation. You may think always I suggest meditation. Yes, because meditation give you peace of mind and it give you great results. When you are meditating, you feel the energy. Daily practice of meditation, just 1 or 2 months, you feel the energy in your body. How to feel the energy? Where can I get this energy? In here, in your crown chakra area, also called Sahasrara chakra. The universe flows the energy through this area to our overall body. You feel the energy and cleanse, heal our body and energized every part of our body. When you are meditating, just observe the energy, how it flows into your body. You may observe meditating persons always have beautiful skin because meditation gives the energy, the flow energy. It gives glowing skin and healthy body. It removes blockages in your body and the energy give you mental and physical health. This energy called prana energy and chi also called. This prana energy gives you, help you to heal your body. When you are meditating, observe the energy flow. When starting, it is not possible to observe. When you are practicing daily, at least 5 to 10 minutes, you definitely feel the energy in your body. If you are not aware of this energy or not, but you feel the good results, you feel the energy, you get the good results in your body. Daily meditate at least 10 to 15 minutes. It cleanses your overall body, it heals your body, it's repair blockages in your body. The next one is bathing. When you are head bath, daily head bath. Before bathing, take 1 cup of rock salt, also called sea salt. Put it into your water tub, bathtub or bucket. Then wash your body, head to toe. It will remove negative energy from your body. It will cleanse your aura. It will give refreshness. This is very powerful. Do this. The next one is clapping. When you clap, your chakras are activated. In acupressure, we all have pressure points. Our hands represents our body. That's why you clap just for 10 to 15 minutes. In India, so many spiritual cultures here. In India, we are pray God and satsang, bhajans. Clapping will remove negative energy. Just 10 to 15 minutes are enough. If you want to see the energy, I will tell you one simple technique here. If you want to feel the energy without practicing meditation, okay, do this. Listen carefully. Your two hands like this, front of your face or your shoulders, then move it slowly like this, very slowly, and observe between these two palms. Just observe the energy. Two hands are attracted each other. This is the energy. Try this. This is the energy. This energy help you to remove negative energy. Sea salt bathing help you remove negative energy, and clapping, exercise daily, meditation daily. These are the simplest ways to remove negative energy from your body. Okay, let's. Number 1, exercise, full body exercise. It takes 10 to 15 minutes. Number 2, meditation. Daily 10 to 15 minutes meditation. Number 3, clapping, 10 to 15 minutes. And bath, sea salt, crystal salt bath. And number 5 is, if you are not able to meditate, if you are not comfortable sitting meditation, you can simply listen relaxing music. Relaxing music also help you to remove negative energy from your body. We recently created a relaxing, peaceful music channel because some people are not able to meditate. That's why we created peaceful, relaxing music channel. You can visit our channel and listen daily peaceful, relaxing music. This music will help you relax your body, energize your body, and fill your body with positive energy and remove negative energy. I will give the music videos, peaceful, relaxing music videos link in the description. Please check and listen the music. At least listen one video, one music. It will give you very calm and peaceful effects in your mind and body. If you are not remove negative energy from your body, it convert a disease, illness in your mind and your body. That's why you must need to remove negative energy in your body. And also, I will give our shop link in the description. You can also check. There are so many mindfulness and meditation, Buddhism related books, and some of the negative energy removal gifts are there. Please visit. And you can also check our Fabs Charitable Trust. We conduct social work. We are feeding hungry homeless people every month, at least one time. This is now our timetable, but we want to improve that. We want to help more people. If you are interested to join our mission helping others, you must consider to subscribe our Fabs Charitable Trust channel, and you can also visit and see our videos. Last month we feed homeless people, we distributed food. If you want to help us, you check in the description box. I will give the link. You can help us and you can join in our good work. The world needs our help. So many people are struggling with hunger, so many children suffering malnutrition. There are so many issues. If you are financially well and you want to help others, please join in our mission. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts about this video, if you want to create how to remove negative energy from your home or office, you also comment in the comment section. I will definitely answer your questions. Thank you for watching. Namaste.